Alright. Can't go a day without having honey all over me. My skin gets rejection if I don't have it on there. This is the one that's really rusty. So. Too bad, because that's a good cylinder. It's got deep rust. It's at the top too, which is a bad place to do it. These have sharp edges. Eat me up. Wear in there still. Marks in there with still heavy grinding. Hard to hold on it this time. Definitely had a round down here, we're going to get beating on it. Shoving bolts in there, but they shouldn't be shoved. That kind of stuff. So it's still not straight around, but it's better. Where was all that rust at? I didn't look for where it was before I honed it.
It was up towards the top somewhere, wasn't it?
Yes, it was. When you put a finer hole in it, you'll see the pitting, but when it's coarse hone, it's hard to it gets hidden. I'm guessing it's through here where all these low spots are at. I think it'll be all right. Just go 10 over. Right there.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that right there. Ooh, that's bad. You have to clean that out before the ring will seal against it. A little bit down there too, but really bad right here at the top. The top's the worst place to be, and that's right where it's all at. But yeah, that's pretty nasty through there. Yep. Yeah, I know what they did. It ate in there pretty hard, so definitely got some heavy moisture in there, acid or something. But likely most of it was expanded up, so it didn't go super deep into the steel. It's in there, but it's. I think 10 thou will clean that just fine.
Okay.
Hopefully. Won't know until we actually hone it. It's definitely a low spot in there. You can feel it on that one. It's deep there too. But the big plus is it's standard bore, so got a lot of room to work.
All right.
Most of the time I get these things that are already at 3.5 inches. They're 60 over already. Making no more room. This one's hot for some reason. It's making my hand hot.
Well, the oil will cool it off.
See, this has a little rust on the bottom, but not much. See what this one looks like. Definitely tight on the bottom, loose on top. Ooh, look at that.
Ooh.
We didn't see all that. Whoa, that's bad. Look at that. That's a lot of rust there. Ooh, I didn't even see that. Maybe this was the bad cylinder, that was the good one.
Looks like it.
Yeah, it does look like it now. Maybe I'll tighten that thing up. When there's wobbling all over the place. That's sharp down there to hold on to this thing. This is rounder than the other one. But it's way worse. Look at the rust on that thing. That's bad. Yeah, that'll take at least 10 to get all that junk out of there. See, this one's not worn as much as that one. But the whole damn thing is covered with rust.
Right.
I don't recall seeing all that in there when we did it. That one had the big barnacle rust, but this is the one that's bedded in the metal pretty good.
Yeah.
That's pretty deep, but same deal. Put 10 over, see what happens. Another project, but instead of finless motors, we got finned ones.
Alright.
I got another set of finned ones on one of my other mock-up motors. So. I was going to do a bike years ago. Everybody's picking on sports, how slow they were, and they had all these fancy twin cam bikes, these big 100-inch motors in them, all this crap. And I was figuring I'd just put a little stock sports together. Touring bike, buddy seat, whole deal. Really piss them off.
Yeah.
And then a 95-inch motor in it.
Nice.
With the appropriate cams in it. Yeah, I didn't finish that project. I was still pissing them off. Even their mates had pissed them off. You know, it'll be the sports very easy with a big inch motor. They're gonna kick everybody else badly. You got no weight, a lot of stinking power.
Yeah.
It's gonna piss off a lot of people. It's a good 10-second bike, easy.
Oh wow.
Yeah, 10 second, 120, 120s and a quarter. Yeah, it'll take a lot to beat that. At least in the Harley realm.
Yep.
I think they're fast. They're not. They're slow. All right. Well, these look all right except for the rust. So if they don't clean at 10 over, they will definitely clean at 20. But I'd like to keep them obviously at 10, not 20. It's a nice set of cylinders, so I'm happy with them. So there you go. More hot rod stuff.